Welcome. In this video I will show you how to measure heart rate on Apple Watch SE 3. First of all, you have to press the digital crown to open the list of applications, then find the heart icon or the heart rate app and tap on it. Next, tap next, and to measure your heart rate you have to wear your Apple Watch onto the wrist on which it's supposed to be worn. Make sure that your band is snug for the measures to be more precise, and then just wait until your Apple Watch measures your heart rate. Give it a moment. And here is the result. You can check the heart rate checks history by scrolling the digital crown and moving through the statistics and graphs. And you can check even more information in Health app on the iPhone that is paired with your Apple Watch. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.